Hi friends, welcome back to Wefix. Gadgets repair at your doorsteps. Is your laptop running slow? The main reason for laptop performing slow is too many programs, which are running in background and front end. There are 9 solutions Wefix recommend to our customers to follow these steps to overcome slow running computer. Disable unnecessary programs. Delete temporary files. Disk cleanup. Update drivers. Windows update. Virus scan. Check hard disk health. Upgrade RAM and convert hard disk to SSD. To know more about how to fast your laptop, we are providing instructions on how to make your laptop fast in our Wefix blog. Link is provided in description, please check it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get latest tech videos based on computers.